quietCool is more than just a brand name. It is a promise of powerful cooling at the sound of a whisper. The Stealth Pro is able to give your home a vital breath of fresh air for just pennies an hour. Our revolutionary design begins with the heavy-duty steel housing. Computer-balanced fan blades allow the fan to seamlessly complete 15 to 22 air exchanges per hour while moving 5 times more air than AC. The Stealth Pro is powered by an ultra-energy efficient ECM, which is one of the most intelligent and effective on the market today. It is the brain inside of the Stealth Pro and allows the fan to run at optimum efficiency. The motor also comes with an industry-leading 15-year warranty and consumes a fraction of energy compared to AC, making it the unrivaled eco-friendly alternative.